Good morning, students. Welcome to social study class. We are revising chapter 1 in history, the French Revolution. Today's topics for discussion are condition of women before revolution, women's club, and laws to improve condition of women. Let's begin. What was the condition of women before revolution? Did the revolution make any change in their lives? You remember that in 1791 also and in 1792 also, no voting rights were given to women. Even if they played very important role in the French society. Most of the women of the third state had to work for a living. They worked as seamstresses, means stitching the clothes, laundresses, they sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the markets, and were also employed as the domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. So we can see that condition of women was not good. They were not sent to school for study. Only the daughters of nobles or wealthier members of the third state only could go to a convent for study. Common women were not given any sort of education. Then working women also had to take care of their families. Here this picture shows that how women had to stand in line to get just a loaf of bread, and they had to stand there for hours and hours. So means they took care of their families also, as well as they also had to earn for their living. To fight for the rights of women, a number of women's clubs were also formed. And that time, during the revolution, there were about 60 women's clubs, which were set up in different French cities. And out of this, there were two most famous women's clubs. One was the Society of Revolutionary, and another was the Republican women. And these political clubs demanded right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold any political office. Political office means any, for example, a minister is having a political office. What changes were brought in the lives of women by the new government which were formed in 1791 and 1792. 1791 government, the National Assembly passed laws to improve the lives of women. First of all, schooling was made compulsory, means government schools were open, and where it was compulsory for all the girls to get the education. Now their fathers could not force them into marriage against their will. Also, marriage was made into a contract. If anyone is not happy, then either men or women could apply for a divorce. Women also now could be trained for jobs and could become artists or run small businesses, which was not allowed earlier. Women were considered they are fit only to take care of the families. They are unfit for doing any other work, especially they don't have the capability to hold any political office. Voting rights were given to women in France in the year 1946. Please memorize this. We finish our session here only. Thank you and have a nice day.